Welcome back. It is all around us. It is growing at an alarming rate, and it is an epidemic. Childhood obesity is killing our children right in front of us. Let's see what happened when a local school decided to do something about it.
I have been overweight by 20 kilos, and so far I have lost 11 kilos. I have lost weight and I'm happy. In 2 months, I have lost 7 kgs.
I feel good and look good as well.
It gives us more confidence, though it was sometimes difficult in the beginning, but now it's easy.
This is a story of triumph over mind, triumph over habit. Meet the students of Westminster School here in Dubai and the teacher who gave them a direction through the Lifestyle Club.
When I calculated the height and weight of children and finally made the statistics, I was shocked to see that around 30% of our students were either overweight and around 10% were in the obese category.
We gave them lots of information about how it might be if you were fitter, if you were healthier, if you were slimmer, and we made more, it was more of a suggestive approach rather than you will do this cause we are telling you, and that seems to have paid dividends.
Initially it was little difficult to motivate children, to talk to them, to get support from parents. But slowly, one by one, when one child got the result, he brought in another one.
Getting the kids to participate was hardly a problem. Most were excited at the prospect of losing weight. Many overweight children routinely deal with isolation, depression and mood swings. They are also prone to low self-esteem that stems from being teased, bullied or rejected by peers.
They are going out to take part in some sport, inter-school competitions and all. Normally the good, healthy, athletic children are selected. Obese children generally they are little bit dull. Some children they have concentration power also little less. So they are not very good in studies also. And basically I have seen that some children are over pampered by their families and some are really neglected.
I could not run, my activity level was low and I was gaining more weight and people was teasing me like this.
Some of my friends were very thin and I used to be a little bit jealous about them.
लोग मजाक उड़ाते और सब लोगों के बीच में अजीब सा लगते कि ये क्या सोच रहा होगा, लड़कियां भी पसंद नहीं करती.
I was very overweight and I couldn't play my sports and couldn't do exercise and couldn't study couldn't pay attention in my studies.
More and more countries around the world are now wrestling with the dangers of excessive nutrition. Overweight children are at risk for serious health conditions like type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure and high cholesterol, all once considered adult diseases. But like any other conditions, childhood obesity is brought on by a range of factors, often in combination.
Right now UAE is number 2, America is number 1. Even in the developing countries, we feel the incidence of obesity is rising. The reason you can say is less activity, more availability of junk food and an easygoing lifestyle.
Burgers, sandwiches, french fries, chocolates, colas, which are all very unhealthy. They don't have a habit of having fruits, vegetables. When you ask anything, oh I hate fruits and vegetables, it's a very common attitude.
Here at the school, the Lifestyle Club takes the scientific approach. Eat well, exercise regularly and incorporate healthy habits. In 3 simple steps, the club is modeling a healthy lifestyle for children that could last into adulthood.
We had a few significant students who actually were overweight and other students noticed the big change in them. And that was the message we wanted to get across, so that these students that enrolled in this lifestyle program originally are now absolute stars. And for the first time in their lives probably, they're getting a lot of respect from their peers. And we're also noticing their levels of participation in the school, generally in the school, in sports and so on, is much increased. And their self-esteem is really taking off. So they are really emerging as very powerful and influential leaders, all because they decided to take ownership of their lives.
Stand straight. Look here.
At the club, once each child's BMI is charted, they're pretty much on their own. To begin with, they are given simple diets and exercises guidelines. The idea is for the kids to be self-motivated. What started off with just a handful of students has grown today into raving success with over 300 students. Clearly, the Lifestyle Club has touched the right chord.
Sometimes, students don't listen to their parents too much, but maybe they'll listen to a message coming from their teachers and from the school.
The word overweight, fat, obese, chubby, fatso, they are gone from the school. They all say we are Lifestyle Club members.
Indeed, positive things can happen when schools, parents and children work together. But we need to do so in much greater numbers if we care to ensure that our next generation survives us.
Well, as they say, good things begin at home. If parents lead by example, there's a good chance that children will lead a healthy life as well. Up next, a fight like no other, Muay Thai, the Thai martial art.